Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious Jello pudding at home. It is a simple treat everyone can enjoy. First, make sure you have 1 package of your favorite Jello pudding mix and exactly 2 cups of cold milk. You will also need a medium saucepan and a whisk or sturdy spoon to mix everything together perfectly. We are ready to begin this easy process. Begin by accurately measuring 2 cups of cold milk into your saucepan. This precise measurement is essential for the pudding's consistency. Place the saucepan on your stovetop and turn the heat to a steady medium setting. We want the milk to warm up, but not boil, before adding the mix. Stay attentive to prevent scorching and ensure even heating throughout the process. As your milk warms, slowly pour the entire package of pudding mix into the saucepan. Whisk vigorously and continuously for at least 2 minutes to fully combine the ingredients and prevent any lumps. It is important to keep stirring until the mixture comes to a full, rolling boil. Once boiling, continue whisking for precisely 1 minute to ensure proper thickening and texture. This step activates the pudding. After the 1-minute boil, take the saucepan off the heat right away. Now, carefully pour the hot pudding into your chosen serving dishes or a single large bowl. Let it cool on the counter for about 10 minutes before moving it. Then, transfer your pudding to the refrigerator and allow it to chill for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial for it to set properly. Once your pudding has chilled for at least 2 hours, check that it is firm and fully set. Now is the fun part. Personalize your pudding with your favorite toppings, such as a dollop of whipped cream, some chocolate shavings, or fresh fruit like sliced strawberries. Any remaining pudding should be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.